guys, it's Mickey, and I'm with the bunny. Don't be crazy, okay? Because last time we took a video, you got really crazy, okay? Oh, don't be sad, bunny. Okay. Ah! I said don't be crazy. Okay. And I'm gonna review this Inside Out dolls. And we found this in Disney store. And I found Bunny in Disney store. Shake that booty, shake that booty. Okay. And there's a lot of cute things. And look at all these characters. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. Wow. Ah! Don't kill me, Bunny. Don't kill me. I mean, Bunny. Open. Ow! I gotta get it out, Bunny. It might make me fall off the chair. This is really hard to open. Okay, guys. Don't kill people! Don't. Okay. So the bunny's really quick. I need scissors. Thank you, Bunny. The bunny's really sad right now. He lost his best friend, Trisha. Okay, here's the thing. Bunny. Bunny. Oh, look at the ball. No, don't poop on her. Okay, here are the characters. Die, Bunny, die. Okay, so don't ruin my video. Really hard to open. Open. Oh, look, it's a big ball. Wait, am I done? Oh, no, I'm not done. Okay, buddy. And there's a lot. And there's a lot. Okay. And there's lots of characters like Bang Bang and the unicorn. I don't know the name. Joy. Fish. Bunny. And there's this dude who I don't know. He's really short and weird. It's my favorite deer. And a police. Whoever this is. I don't know who this is. And And we have Bunny, stay here. Don't take a selfie. Oh my gosh, Bunny! And Discuss, where are you? Discuss. Here, she's so pretty. I have this fat dude who I don't know. He's ugly, really ugly. Sadness, come out. Oops. I'm a bunny. And there's Sadness, the cute little guy. Hey, bunny. Oh my gosh. And I have anger. Sleepy? Open. Get it! Get it! And I have Joy, the little baby. Yeah! Okay. Mine. On mine. And say goodbye, buddy. Oh, and don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Bing Bong is Bunny's favorite because they're both pink. Oh, does that mean me? Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay.